Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Bing AI application on your Android device for beginners. Whether you are new to AI or just curious about Bing's take on things, this video will show you the ropes. But before getting started, let me tell you what Bing AI is. Bing AI is a cool feature built into the Microsoft Bing search engine. It lets you have conversation with the AI chatbot instead of just typing in search queries. Think of it like a super helpful friend who can answer all of your questions in a fun and interactive way. Now, to get started with Bing AI, you first need to download and install the application. Step 1. Download and install Bing AI. From your Android device, head over to the Google Play Store icon. Launch it open and then go to the search box at the top and type in Bing AI and search. Look for the Bing Chat with AI and GPT-4 application from Microsoft Corporation. Once you find this install button, tap on install and start downloading Bing AI on your Android device. Step 2. Login in. Once you download and install the Bing application, tap on the open button to launch open Bing AI application on your Android phone. Once you open up the app, this will be the first interface for Bing AI. Tap on the continue button and then allow necessary applications such as location, notification, and so on. Bing AI will also work without logging in, but in order to unlock some extra features of Microsoft Bing, you will need to log into your Microsoft account or create a Microsoft account if you don't have one. From the main homepage of Microsoft Bing, go ahead and tap on Sign In at the top left. This will then prompt you to sign into your Microsoft account or sign into your work or school account. To sign into a Microsoft account, tap on Sign In right next to Microsoft account option at the very top. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you will need to create one. Tap on the Create One button and follow through the on-screen instruction. If you already have a Microsoft account, type in your phone number, email address, or your Skype ID in the text box. After typing in your credential, click Next. Now on the next page, verify your email address or enter your account's password. Enter the password or the code according to your login method. Make sure to enter the code sent to you on your email address, or simply open up the email from Microsoft account team and use the single sign-in code appearing on your inbox. Copy the code and paste it inside the Enter Code tab, or simply enter your Microsoft account's credential, password, and sign in to your account. Once you are signed into your Microsoft account, you will then be able to see the main home page. You can now go ahead and explore the interface. Step 3. Starting conversation. Now that you're inside the Bing AI homepage, tap on the Copilot option at the bottom. Now, in the Copilot interface, you can type in your question or request at the bottom of the screen inside the box in order to start a conversation. After you select a conversation and type it in the text box, you can tap on the Send button. Ask questions about anything that sparks your curiosity, and you will then be able to find information about your queries or requests from Microsoft Bing. You can also get creative, request a poem, a story, or even some codes with Microsoft Bing. Apart from that, you can also upload pictures in the Questions tab or ask the questions by using the microphone option. Soon after you do that, you will receive possible response from Microsoft Bing's Copilot. Be clear and concise with your questions or requests on Microsoft Bing. Don't be afraid to experiment. Since Bing AI is constantly learning, try out different types of prompts and see what it can do. Bing AI is still under development and sometimes it might not understand you properly. Just rephrase your questions or try a different approach in order to find necessary answer for your question. And that is it. You are now equipped to explore the world of Bing AI on your Android device. So go forth, ask questions, unleash your creativity, and have fun with this powerful tool. That was how you can easily start using Bing AI on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.